In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Epic Games account quickly and correctly, whether you're using the Epic Games launcher on your PC or Mac, or signing in through a web browser. I'll also walk you through what to do if you normally use a connected platform, and how to finish the login process if two-factor authentication is turned on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer if you already have it installed. If you don't want to use the launcher, you can also open your web browser and go directly to the Epic Games sign-in page. Either way works, so choose the method that's easiest for you. Once the login screen loads, you'll see the available sign-in options. If you created your Epic Games account using the standard email and password method, click or select the email sign-in option. Then type in the email address that is linked to your Epic Games account. After that, enter your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes and double check that caps lock is off if your password is case sensitive. Once both fields are filled out, click sign in. Now, if you originally made your Epic Games account through a connected platform such as a console or another linked login method, choose that option instead. Epic Games supports multiple sign-in methods, so if you use one of those connected platforms, you'll need to continue with the same method you used when the account was created or linked. Follow the prompts on screen and complete the login using that connected account. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, Epic Games will ask you for a security code after you enter your login details. This is an extra layer of protection for your account. Depending on how your 2FA is set up, the code may be sent to your email, your Authenticator app, or even by SMS. Open the place where you receive your codes, locate the current security code, then enter it into the Epic Games login prompt. After that, click Continue. If the code is correct, you'll be signed in and taken to your Epic Games account dashboard or launcher home screen. From there, you can access your games, library, account settings, and anything else tied to your profile. If you run into a problem, the most common issues are usually entering the wrong email, password, or 2FA code, so take a moment to verify each step before trying again. And that's it. You now know how to log into your Epic Games account using the launcher or a browser, choose the right sign-in method, and complete 2FA if it's enabled. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.